Road surveyors play a crucial role in the planning and development of infrastructure projects. In Gurgaon, specifically in Sector 23, road surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and expansion of the city. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, collecting data, and analyzing the terrain to design efficient road networks. Their expertise ensures that the roads are well constructed, properly aligned, and meet the safety standards. Gurgaon, being a major commercial and residential hub, witnesses heavy traffic flow throughout the day. The need for well-designed and well-maintained roads is essential to ensure smooth movement of vehicles and reduce congestion. Road surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 are equipped with the knowledge and skills to assess the existing road conditions, identify areas of improvement, and propose suitable designs to enhance traffic flow. SCON Design is one of the prominent firms providing road surveying services in Gurgaon Sector 23. With their extensive experience in this field, they offer comprehensive solutions for road design and construction projects. SCON Design employs a team of highly skilled and qualified road surveyors who use advanced technology and equipment to accurately measure and map the terrain. They gather data on factors such as elevation, slope, soil quality, and existing infrastructure to create detailed road design plans. The role of road surveyors goes beyond just measuring distances and angles. They also consider various factors like drainage systems, environmental impact, and safety regulations while designing roads. In Gurgaon Sector 23, where rapid development is taking place, road surveyors ensure that the new roads are aligned with the existing transportation network, minimizing disruptions and maximizing efficiency. In the planning and development of infrastructure projects, road surveyors are essential. Due to the city's increasing development and expansion, road surveyors are highly sought after in Gurgaon, particularly in Sector 23. To create effective road networks, these experts are in charge of performing surveys, gathering information, and assessing the topography. Their knowledge guarantees that the roads are well built, accurately aligned, and adhere to safety requirements. Gurgaon experiences strong traffic flow throughout the day because it is a significant commercial and residential center. To promote smooth vehicle flow and ease congestion, well-designed and well-maintained roadways are necessary. Road surveyors in Sector 23 in Gurgaon are qualified to evaluate the state of the road, pinpoint problem areas, and provide appropriate improvements to optimize traffic flow. One of the well-known companies offering road surveying services in Sector 23 in Gurgaon is SCON Design. They provide comprehensive solutions for projects involving road design and construction, thanks to their wealth of experience in this area. With the use of cutting-edge tools and technology, the team of road surveyors at SCON Design precisely measures and maps the terrain. To build thorough road design plans, they collect information on variables including height, slope,